These are the calendula flowers, and they have the primary colors like yellow, orange, and some have a dual tone. The floral whorls are different, some are multi layered, some are single and double layered also. Calendula is an easy growing plant, low maintenance. You can buy seeds and easily grow in your garden. But for quick result, we can buy saplings from plant nursery and pot them. Sometimes seed do not grow and success rate is low, but for calendula seed will not let you down. They grow easily through seeds also. However, seed growing is a lengthy process. Of course, you will have lot of plants. Here I had bought very few saplings and all survived. If you want to grow winter or summer plants, always remember soil preparation is a vital part, and you have to make the soil in advance and pay much effort on soil making. Always keep a compost making area where you can decompose organic components like veggie peels, eggshells, used tea leaves, neem leaves and dried leaves of your garden. All of them will take at least 6 or 8 months to decompose. After the flower blooming is over, cut away the stem at the base. More stems will grow from that node. It's better to cut the spent flower, then you can have more flowers on your calendula plant. The plant needs half day or full day sun as it is a winter growing plant. The calendula does not survive after March in most parts of India. But those cities with moderate climate, the plant may flower until May. During January, my city was having very less sunshine, but now in February, all flowers are blooming due to sufficient sunshine and pleasant temperature. Now let's know the soil that is used. For soil, use 30% common garden soil, 30% compost, 10% river sand, and remaining 30% you can add dried cow dung, leaf compost, neem extract, cocoa peat, and vermicompost. And later on, you can add some amount of bone meal, horn meal, and other fertilizers. For calendula, water the plants moderately. Be sure not to overwater and always water the soil, not over the plant. Usually the basal leaves turn yellow. This may happen due to infrequent watering or less sunshine or over fertilization. These are the marigold flowers on the second tier stand. On the topmost tier, I have the petunias. They are flowering. Some petunias are yet to flower. Very soon we'll give you the update. You can watch the marigold video. Click into the I button on screen. Here there are other flowers, dianthus, gazania, some celosia, some ornamental cabbage. These are the ornamental cabbage or kale. Some chrysanthemums are still flowering. Last 40 days. I hope so. Just see, they are still fresh. You can watch the video. Click into the I button on screen. This is the spent flower of calendula. You can keep the flower for seeds, but you have to dry the flower on the plant. If you keep such spent flowers on plant, the plant will retard flowering and focus its energy on making its seeds, because it's the thumb rule of plant and animal kingdom to carry forward its species and survive. तो चलिए अभी कुछ फर्टिलाइजर के बारे में जान लेते हैं। मैंने पौधा लगाने के 15 दिन बाद 2 मुट्ठी वर्मी कंपोस्ट और एक हिस्सा एनपीके, एक हिस्सा मैग्नीशियम सॉल्ट, एक हिस्सा डीएपी सब मिला के 1 स्पून मिक्सचर डाली थी। फिर 15 दिनों बाद मैंने 1 लीटर पानी में 2 ग्राम एनपीके और 2 ग्राम मैग्नीशियम सॉल्ट घोल के स्प्रे की थी और थोड़ी बहुत सॉइल में भी डाली थी। अगर आपको अच्छी फ्लावरिंग चाहिए तो 5 दिन या फिर 6 दिन बाद तरह तरह के फर्टिलाइजर्स डालिए, लेकिन बहुत ही कम क्वांटिटी में। एक बार एक ही तरह की फर्टिलाइजर डालिए, बहुत ही कम क्वांटिटी में, जैसे कि लिक्विड सरसों खली, बोन मील। कभी ओवर फर्टिलाइजेशन मत कीजिए। ऐसा नहीं कि एक ही बार ज्यादा दे दिए और बस छोड़ दिए। There is a particular dosage of applying fertilizer, especially for chemical fertilizers. You may lose your plant for over fertilization. Always keep in mind we will fertilize slowly in low dose and not the same but different fertilizers, so that the plant is provided all macro and micro elements. So that was all, friends, on calendula. Stay tuned with my channel. Like, share and subscribe. Lots of love from Garden Hill. Thanks for watching.